All right. So, hello everyone. So again, we are back with Aptitude video, and this time in this video we are going to discuss percentages. Okay. So percentage is actually a very simple topic, but it can make your life really difficult if you don't know the right basics. Okay. So I'll tell you the key points as we solve the problems. Okay. Because percentage is actually mixed up with data interpretation questions, and that is how they use this topic in gate, and that is how they'll give you the questions in gate. Okay, so you have to be really careful with few key points in percentages, and any question from this topic can be solved, no doubt, and no problem whatsoever would be there. All right, so let's start again. So my name is Karthik Kharbanda, and today we'll be discussing percentages. Okay, right. So in this video, the concepts that we are going to cover is more than X%, less than X%, and conversion. Okay. So let me tell you about more than X and less than X%. Okay. So simple meaning. So it is like, let's say, um, all right. So I have X percent more money than Y. Okay. X% more. X% more. That means, let's say, my is the variable which stores my money. Okay, which is my money. My will be equal to X% more. That means salary of Y or money that Y has plus X% of Y. Okay. This means that I have X% more money than Y. Okay. So my money is equal to money of whatever money Y has plus X% extra of Y only. Okay. So this is the basic concept when you have more than X. All right. Similarly, if I modify this question to X% less than X, so what you do is this sign will be converted to a negative sign. Okay. So let's say if I have less than, okay, then this minus sign you will have. So y minus X% of Y. Okay. So more on this again we'll see when we solve some problems also. But this is the basic idea when I say X% more or X% less. Okay. All right. So next concept is if you're given some number, how to convert that into percentage, and if you're given some percentage, how to convert that into number. Okay. So let's say I am given 80%. I am given 80%. So this means nothing but to convert percentage into your number, you do 80 divided by 100, and that is 0.8. Okay. This is how you convert a percentage into number. And if you want to convert number into a percentage, let's say you have 0.06. Do simple one thing, just multiply that by 100 and add a percentage thing. Okay, so this will give you nothing but 6%. Okay, so when you want to convert number to percentage, you multiply by 100. When you're converting percentage to number, you divide by 100. Okay, so this is also very basic thing which will be important and which will come a lot in, especially in data interpretation questions. Okay, from bar charts and pie charts and all. Okay, so the basics are here. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll try to solve some problems based on these basics. All right, fine. So again, the flow will remain same. What I'll do is we'll pause the video. Okay, so I'll just tell you to pause the video. Once I tell that, please pause the video, try the problem yourself, whatever you can solve, and then after and pausing, you can see the solution. All right. So I will strongly advise everyone to try all the problems that will be doing in this video. Okay. First, try the problem yourself, then unpause the video and see the solution. Okay, so the question is height of a triangle as well as its base is increased by 30%. Okay, find the percentage increase in its area. Okay, so these are your options. Now what I'll do is I'll pause the video and you can try the question. All right, So I hope you guys tried the question and hopefully you got the right answer. Okay. So now let's see the basics. So first, let's say in the original triangle, my height, let's say is h, okay, and base, let's say is b, okay. So area, everyone knows that if I have base and height of a triangle, area is half into base into height. Yeah, this is the formula for area of a triangle. Area is this. Now second case is, if I modify my triangle, that means my height and base are increasing. So in the modified triangle, let's see what are the things. In the modified triangle, my new height is equal to what? It is increased by 30%. So that means old height, whatever it was, plus 30% of old height. Okay. So this, when I calculate, you will get this as 13h by 10. Okay. 13h by 10. And similarly, so let me do it here. Okay. Similarly, your new base is what? Old base plus 30% extra of that old base. Okay. So this will again give you 13b by 10. Okay. So you got your new base and you got your new height. So I'll just move to one of the next slides. So now your job is what? You have to find the new area. So new area becomes what? Half into new base into new height, which is what? Half into 13 by 10 of base into 13 by 10 of height, right? So 13 squares are 169. So this means half into base into height I'll keep as it is, and this becomes 169 by 100. Okay, or you can say 1.69. So this is the new area. All right. Now what they're saying is, we'll read the question carefully. Now again you have to read the question. They are saying the percentage increase in area. Okay, that's what they're saying. How much increment happened? Okay, this value is actually the new area. So how much increment happened? The formula for that will be percentage change. Now this formula is also very important, and most of the students will make mistake over here. So be careful, understand this formula very carefully. Okay, so percentage change is difference divided by original value, original, or you can say old value, into 100. Okay, this is the percentage change. Okay, so now I want to calculate the difference. So the difference is what? Difference is equal to new area minus whatever old area was, right? The original area. New area was half bh into 169 by 100, and old area was half bh only. Okay, so half bh I'll take common, and this becomes 169 by 100 minus 1. So this will be nothing but half bh into 69 by 100. 69 by 100. This becomes your difference in height. Okay, so I'll again write the formula. Change, percentage change is equal to difference in area divided by the original area, which was half into base into height into 100. Right, this is the percentage change. Now this term and this term will cancel. This 100 will come in the denominator. So this 100 and this 100 will also cancel. All right. So finally what you have is 69%. So percentage change in area is nothing but 69. Okay. So if we see the options over here, option C is the right one. All right. So I hope you got the solution for this. And yeah, percentage change formula, again I'm repeating, is a very important formula. Okay. So make sure you understand that properly. All right. Okay. So let's move to the next question now. All these are very important to build your foundation for GATE questions. Okay, these are very important. Okay, so again, please pause the video. Okay, first let me dictate the question. The question says salary of A is 25% more than the salary of B. Okay, by what percentage B's salary is less than that of A? Okay. So now pause the video, try this question yourself. All right. So I hope you guys pause the video. You got some answer. Let's see if that's correct or not. Okay. So now this is saying the A salary is 25% more than that of B. Okay. So I want to tell you one thing. In aptitude, the basic thing which will help you solve more number of different problems is whatever statements are written, now try to write their mathematical equation. That is one of the very basic things that I always follow. All right. So salary of A, let's say salary of A is A and salary of B is B. Simple. Now see how I'll convert this statement, this particular statement into an equation. Salary of A is means equal to is 25% more than that of B. That means B, salary of B plus 25% more of B. Okay. So simply the first statement is converted to an equation by this means. Very easy. All right. So I'll just cancel out few things to simplify. So A is nothing but B into 1 plus 1 by 4. So now you get a relation between the salary of A and salary of B. This means A is equal to 5 by 4B and hence B is equal to 4 by 5A. Okay. This is the relation between salary of A, or you can just write this also, 5B is equal to 4. That's also correct. Okay. 5 times salary of B is equal to 4 times salary of A. Okay. Now they are saying, of course, see, if A salary is more than B, then B salary is of course less than A, right? So they are saying B salary is how much less than A. So that means what you want is, you want B is equal to some times of A. This is what is required. This is what this sometimes I need to find. I need to figure out what is this sometimes. Okay. So B salary is equal to something like this. So I can say B salary is equal to 4 by 5 of A. Okay. Now 4 by 5 is not percentage and all. I want less than. So let me just do the opposite. I did here na B plus something of B, right? I'll do the opposite here. And I got this relation. So I'll work in the reverse direction to get the answer. So I'll use this equation. I'll just use the next slide. This is B is equal to 4 by 5A. Now see, B 4 by 5 will write as 1 minus 1 by 5 times of A. Okay. And then of course, you know, if I want to convert something to percentage, what I'll do, I'll just multiply it by 100. Okay. A minus A by 5 is there. Okay. So this is A minus, I want to convert this into percentage. So it will be what? 100 by, sorry. Oh God. Wait. Okay. So I'll rewrite. B is equal to 4 by 5A. Then B is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 5 times of A, which is equal to A minus A by 5. Right. Now this 1 by 5, A minus 1 by 5, I want to convert this into percentage. What will be the percentage thing? So this will be A minus 100 by 5%, okay, of A. So this 100 by 5 is nothing but 20%. So that means, now if I read this statement means B salary is 20% less than that of A. And in the question, see what they are asking is, they are asking by what percentage B salary is less than A. So I got the answer as 20%. Okay. So option A will be the right answer. Okay. So one more mistake that students make is they see the question, they don't understand it properly, and they go for 25. Okay. And remember, this is wrong answer and this is a trap option. Gate people will give you this option because they know that most of the students will not understand the question properly, will not follow this procedure, and hence they'll end up marking 25. Okay. So this is called a trap option. So please make sure you identify these traps and don't fall into these traps. Okay. Unnecessarily you'll use your marks, and these questions are to be expected that you will be able to solve them. Okay. Most of the students do solve them. All right. So make sure you don't fall into trap options. All right. Okay. So let's see the next question. So the question says difference between a discount of 35% and two successive discounts of 20% and 20% on a certain bill was 22 rupees. Now they are saying difference between discounts is 22. You have to find the amount of the bill. Okay, and these are our options. Now again, please pause the video and try this question yourself. All right, so I hope everybody paused the video and solved some of it. Okay, so see, let me say my total bill is nothing but X. This is my initial assumption. All right, now going forward, I have two cases. One case is I got a single discount of 35%. Another case is I got two discounts of 20% each. Okay, so for case one, my job is in both the cases, I will try to find the total discount I have. Okay, that means in case one, what is my total discount? And then in case two, what is my total discount? Okay, case one was 35% thing, case two is 20% and then 20%. All right. This case is also known as successive discounting. We'll see how to do successive discounting also when we solve case two. Okay, so I got 35% discount. So discount, basically how much I got is 35% on the original bill. That is equal to this. Okay, so discount in case one is simple. 35% of the original bill, one discount, done. This is my discount value for case one. Okay, now case two will see the discount. So in case two, I got first discount as 20% on X. So discount one, which is 20%, it is on X. Okay, it is what? 20% of X. So this means we'll just write 20x by 100. Okay, we'll not convert it into lowest term. You'll understand later why. We'll write it as 20x by 100. Okay, now see, remaining amount is how much? Remaining amount after first discount. Remaining amount after first discount. This is what? 80x by 100, right? X minus 20x by 100. This becomes 80x by 100. Why I need that is because how successive discounting works is first you get 20% discount on the original bill. Okay. Then whatever remaining bill is there, on that you will get 20% discount more. Okay. So it is not like I get 20% plus 20%. So it is not 40%. Okay. So you get 20% on the original price first, and then again you get 20% on the remaining price. So remaining price after first discount is 80x by 100. Now for case 2, I want to calculate what is my second discount. So discount 2, which is on 80x by 100, which was the remaining price, is what? 20% of this, right? So 20% of 80x by 100. Okay. So I'll cancel two zeros. So this becomes 16x by 100. Okay. This is discount 2. So in case 2, now if you see, discount 1 was how much? Discount 1 was 20x by 100. Discount 2 is 16x by 100. So totally, how much discount did I got in case 2? So case 2, total discount. Total discount is how much? Discount 1 plus discount 2, which is 20x by 100 plus 16x by 100, which becomes 36x by 100. Okay, I did not convert this into lowest term because I wanted to keep 100 as the denominator. Okay, now I'll tell you why I did that. So total discount in case 2 is 36x by 100 and total discount in case 1 is 35x by 100. So now I can easily compare which one is bigger. Okay, so now if you can see, in case 2 we got more discount than case 1. Okay, so how much more discount? So in case 1 we got 35x by 100. In case 2 we got 36x by 100. Okay, so the difference is what? 36x minus 35x by 100, and they are saying this is equal to 22 rupees. If you read the question, they are saying discount in both the cases, the difference of that is equal to 22 rupees. So that means simple, x by 100, when you take LCM you get x by 100 is equal to 22, and then x is equal to rupees 2200. Okay, simple as that. So because I kept LCM as 100 in both the cases, I kept the denominator term as 100. it was easy for me and quick for me to solve this. Otherwise, I would have spent around 20-30 seconds extra in again taking the LCM and solving it. All right. So your total amount is, or total bill amount is 2200. Okay. So option B is the correct one. All right. So I hope everyone understood this problem also. Okay. So let's move to next question. So we'll read the question. The question says a number is by mistake divided by 5 instead of multiplying by 5. Okay. Find the percentage change in result due to this mistake. Percentage change in result. Okay. So please pause the video. Try this question yourself. All right. So I hope everyone tried the question. Now let's see the solution for this. Okay. So a number is by mistake divided by 5. Let's say the number is x. Okay. This is the assumption. My number is x. A number by mistake is divided by 5. Okay. Instead of multiplying by 5. So what you wanted to do, what was the original value or the correct thing or the correct value which you wanted? It was what? 5x. You wanted 5x. You wanted to multiply 5 with x. Okay. But what you did is, okay, that means the corrupted value, I can say, corrupted value you got as x by 5. Okay. You got x by 5 instead of getting 5x. Okay. So first calculate the difference. The difference between these two values is what? Difference is 5x minus x by 5. All right. So this will become 24x by 5. Okay. So this is the difference. Now we'll again use the formula for percentage change. All right. So percentage change is equal to what? Difference, which is 24x by 5 divided by what? Divided by the original value. Now the important thing is, what is the original value? Original value is the value which you were supposed to get, and you were supposed to get 5x, not x by 5. Okay. You were supposed to get 5x. This is the original value. So most of the students will make mistake here only. So understand what you wanted. What was the original value? Okay. So original value was 5x. Now you cancel out things. So this becomes 24 by 5, and 5 will be multiplied and will be in denominator into 100. So this will be cancelled out by 4. And if you see, this will come out to be 96%. This is 24. Okay. It comes out to be 96%. So this 96% is your correct answer. All right. So A option is right. All right. So I hope everyone got the solution for this. Okay. This was an easy problem. Only thing is, if you understand what you mean by percentage change and if you can do it right, then you got full marks. All right. Now we try to attempt this problem. Okay. This is a 2-mark gate question, a very good one. Okay. The salary of an officer was raised twice successively. The rate of increase of second raise was twice the rate of increase in first in percentage. Okay. The final salary was 68% more than what it was in the beginning. Okay. Before both the hikes. By what percent the salary was raised first time? Okay. So again, please pause the video and try this question yourself. Okay. Usually you can take around 3 to 4 minutes. This is a good question. All right. So I hope everyone paused the video and you tried the question yourself. Okay. So now let's say the initial salary at the beginning was X. Okay. Initial salary was X. Now they are saying two successive hikes were there for the officer. Okay. Now first hike, the rate of increase of second hike is twice the first. Let's say the rate of increase of first hike is R1. Okay, is R1. So for second hike, the rate will be what? 2 times R1. Yes, it will be 2 times R1. This is for first hike. This is for second hike. So 2 times R1. We should be clear in this. Twice the twice the rate of first in percentages. Okay, R is still in percent. Now they are saying final salary is this much. Okay, so first what I'll do is I'll calculate what is the salary after first hike. Okay, salary after first hike is what? X plus R1 by 100x. This is what we do now. R1 is in percentage, so you divide by 100. R x plus R1 by 100x. So I'll just take x common. You get 1 plus R1 by 100. All right. Now next thing what they're saying is, let me just rub this off. Okay. Next thing what they're saying is, I want to calculate salary after the second hike. Okay. So salary after second hike is what? Now see, second hike, this is the important part. Second hike will be given on the salary after first hike. So whatever salary you got here, let's say you got here, this is, let's say, assume this as whole value as T. Okay. So this salary, which is after first hike, you will get second hike on this. Okay. So that means I'll get on T plus R2 by 100 times of T. Okay, so I'll get this hike on T, not on X. If you get it, if you write it X, then it will be totally incorrect. Okay, you got it on T. So I'll take T common and I'll write 1 by R2 by 100. And R2 is what? Twice R1. I'll just write it over here just to reduce the number of variables I have in my equation. Okay, now T I'll substitute from the previous slide. So it is X times of 1 plus R1 by 100. Okay, X times of 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus 2R1 by 100. All right. Now what they're saying is this value that I have, this is my salary after both the hikes. Okay, this is my salary after both the hikes. And in the question they are saying the final salary is 68% more than what it was initially. Okay, so I'll just write one equation, try to understand. Okay, rub this off too. So my final salary plus 2R1 by 100. Final salary is 68% more than the initial salary. See, 68% more than the initial salary. Okay, so these are both of them are final salary. This I have got from the last statement in the question. All right, so we'll just take X as common. So this becomes 1 plus 68 by 100. Okay, and this I'll just copy it down, R1 by 100 into 1 plus R plus 100. X and X will get cancelled. Okay, so this becomes 168 by 100 and this becomes what? 100 plus R1. I'll just take LCM and 100 plus 2R1 divided by 100 into 100. And 100 from this, 100 from this. So 100 and 100 will cancel. So this 100 I'll take on the RHS. So what I'll finally get is I'll get a quadratic equation that I'll have to solve. 100 plus R1 into 100 plus 2R1 is equal to what? 16800. All right. So I'll just take 2 common from here. 100 plus R1 into 2, 50 plus R1 is equal to 16800 and I'll cancel out. This becomes 8384, 8400, not 3, 8400. Now I'll just multiply. So this becomes 5000 plus this is 100 R1 plus 50 R1. This is 150 R1 plus R1 square is equal to 8400. Okay, I'll just rewrite this quadratic equation. This becomes R1 square plus 150 R1. This comes over here and this is minus 3400. Okay, now you need to find the roots of this quadratic equation and that will be the rate which you need to actually find. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll first calculate D, which is what? B square minus 4AC. So this is equal to minus 150 square plus 4 times minus 3400 into 1. Yeah. So this becomes 22500 plus, sorry, this will be a minus sign. So this will be 3400 or 34 into 4 would be 6, 136. 13600. So this when you subtract, let's subtract 225 with 136. This will be 9 and then 11 and then an 8, 89. All right. Yeah. So this will be, I think, yeah, it will be 89. So 8900. And this is what? 225. This is your D. Okay. I think there is, okay, no, this is a minus sign. Sorry. This is a minus sign. So minus and minus will become plus. Yeah, these will be added. Okay. So I'll just redo this part. No worries. No worries. All right. I'll just redo the D part. All right. So D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So you get 22500 minus of 4 into minus 3400 into 1. All right. So this becomes 22500 plus this was 6 and 1. This is 13. So 225 plus 136. Let's see. This is 1 and here is 1, 6 and then 3. Okay. 361. So let's remove this also. D is equal to 36100. So I'll write my root. This is minus 150. Yeah, minus 150 plus minus under root 36100 by 2. Okay. So minus 150 plus minus 361. Now, if you remember, 19 square is actually 361. So this value will be 190. Okay, by 2. 361 is 19 square. So also please make sure that you remember squares till first 30 numbers and cubes till I think 10 or 12 is fine. Okay, but squares till 30 should be on your fingertips. Helps you in doing all of this. So minus 150 plus 190. This is one of the root, minus 50 minus 190 by 2. This is the other root. So this will give you a negative R. So it will be not applicable. Here you'll get a positive R which is 40 by 2 and which is 20. So R is nothing but 20%. Okay. So make sure you discard the negative value and keep the positive one. Okay. This is 20%. If we go back to the question, okay, so option B is right. All right. Yeah, so it was a lengthy question, but it's all right. Is what it was worth, and it was for 2 marks. Okay. So option B is correct. All right. So that's all I have on percentages. I hope you enjoyed practicing questions with me. So see you in the next videos that we'll have. All right. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.